After attracting the gopis' minds, Krishna captivates them with charming conversations such as the following. So here's the conversation that's not in the Bhagavatam, not told by Shukadeva Goswami in chapter 30, but it's revealed by a Rasik Jan, Gaudiya Vaishnavacharya, Shripad Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur ki jai. Oh, Padmini means, oh lotus, like, oh lady with a beautiful lotus face. Are you going to offer your honey to this thirsty honeybee or not? Krishna's name is Madhusudan. Madhusudan means, Sudha means nectar. Sudha. Radharas Sudha Nidhi. Sudha means nectar and Madhu means honey. So Madhusudan is a name for honeybee, bumblebee. I would say Makar, not Makar, what's it called? Madhukar. In Hindi, Madhukar. So Krishna is saying, oh Padmini. Padmini is a name for a woman's name. It means a beautiful woman, or it means a lotus flower. He says, oh, you're a lotus flower, and lotus flowers are full of nectar, and your face is full of nectar, and I'm a honeybee, and am I going to get the nectar of your face? Which is a very beautiful Parokshavad way of saying, indirect. And are you going to give me lots of kisses? Are you going to let me enjoy your sweet kisses? Are you going to offer your honey to this thirsty honeybee or not? So what does the gopis say? Well, let's say Radharani. Oh, bee. Oh, honeybee. The husband of the lotus flower is the sun, Suryadev. He is the husband, not the bee. So how can we allow you to drink our honey? Because the one name for the sun planet is called Padmapati. Padma means lotus flower, and Pati means husband. So one of the names for the husband is, one of the names for the sun planet is Padma Bandhu, Padmapati, Aditya, Arka, Konark, Bhaskar, Divakar, Prabhakar, etc. Many names for the sun. Banu is the name for the sun planet. Banu Nandini. So Krishna is trying to be clever and get himself a few kisses, win a few kisses from the gopis, and they're out there being more smart and more clever. So you're coming to us. You say we're the flower and you're the bee, and we're supposed to give our honey to you. But you're not our husband. We're not going to give the honey of our flower-like lips. We're not going to give the honey of our lotus flower-like lips to you, because our husband is the sun. So then Krishna says, well, but my dear Padmini, my dear lotus, the very nature, that may be what the fact. You may be saying that the sun is your husband, and when the sun rises in the morning, then you open up and feel very happy. And when your husband leaves you in the evening, and when the sun sets, then you close and feel very happy. And your lotus flower face closes at sunset, and you feel very unhappy until your husband reappears again at sunrise, and you open your blossoming, smiling lotus face again. So Krishna's saying, that may be the fact, but your nature is that you don't give your husband, but your nature, your sabhav, that may be the point. You may be like this, but your nature, your sabhav, is that you don't give your honey to the sun, but you give it to your paramour, the bee. Paramour means an additional lover. You're the lotus, your husband is the sun, but you don't give your sweet honey-like lips to your husband, you give it to your boyfriend. And who's your boyfriend? The honeybee. And what's the name of the honeybee? Madhusudan. And who is Madhusudan? It's me. Me is the honeybee. So give your lips to me. Defeated by Krishna's words, the gopis laugh, and then they let Krishna drink the honey of their lips. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Happy ending. That's to Radharani. And now he turns to another gopi and he says, "Oh, Gopika, I can understand that as you approach this Kadamba tree, standing here, you have been bitten by a very auspicious snake that's in the branches. The snake venom from that bite has already reached your chest. But since you are a respectable maiden, you have not asked me to cure you. But still, because I'm a doctor, I have come here because I'm very merciful by nature. So now, to remove that poison venom from your chest, I will massage your body and I will chant a mantra to counteract the snake's poison." Acha, very naughty doctor. Then the gopi replies, "Acha, you're a snake charmer. You know how to charm and mystify the snakes and control them. But listen, my dear snake charmer, no snake has bitten me. Why don't you go massage the body of some girl who has actually suffered from a snake bite? I am not suffering from the poisons of a snake bite, so get lost." Go to another gopi. Krishna says, "Come on now, come on, respectable girl. You're speaking one thing, but the way you're speaking, your voice is trembling. And with your trembling voice, I can understand, since your voice is stuttering and trembling, that you are experiencing a feverish reaction due to being poisoned by a snake. And since I know this, if I don't take care of you, I'll be guilty of killing an innocent woman. So please let me administer the treatment to you." So then, after saying this, Krishna went to administer the medicine.